So you are trying to install Rapido Captain app on an iPhone or an iOS device, and when you search for Rapido Captain app on your app store, you don't get the application. However, if you search it on Android, it's perfectly fine, it's working. You will get both Rapido and Rapido Captain app, but you don't have this on an iPhone. That's because right now iOS don't have, or iPhone don't have a Rapido Captain app in their app store. Maybe in the future they might bring this app on an iPhone, but right now, in this day I am recording this video, we don't have Rapido Captain app in an app store. So I'm just trying to be honest, and I'm just trying to saying the truth. Don't get mad and hate me on the comments or dislike this video. I'm just saying the truth. It is not my fault. My job is only to guide you, to not mislead you. So this is what it is. Rapido Captain app is not available in iPhone for a moment. Maybe in the future they might add. I don't know about it, but right now it's not available. So hopefully you got your answer. Thanks for watching.